Hey guys, today let's learn how to use the Halloween filters on TikTok. So if you guys want to go ahead and use the new Halloween filters on the TikTok application, in this video tutorial, I'm going to teach you guys how to do this step by step. So please watch this video until the end to find out how. Alright guys, so what we need to do first is to actually go ahead and launch the TikTok application and make sure that you are using the latest version of TikTok as well. So go ahead and launch the app stores and check if you have an update available. And I would like you guys to proceed with updating your applications to the latest version so that you're going to have updated features like the Halloween filter. Now, what we want to do next is to go ahead and just tap on this middle plus icon on our screens and go ahead and try to record a video by tapping on the 15-second option. Next, from here, let's just go ahead and tap on effects, and then we can actually proceed with scrolling down onto the trending effects and see if the Halloween filter is already applied on here. If you cannot see any Halloween filters on here, what we could also do is to actually go ahead and try to search on the search bar over here and just easily go ahead and search for the new Halloween filter. And that's going to give you one of the best results and also the updated effects on the TikTok application, like this Halloween filter, this Halloween eyeliner, and a lot of different Halloween filters available right here as well. And that's all for this video, guys. Thank you guys for watching. Please like this video and subscribe as well if you guys learned something, and I'll see you guys on the next video.